Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 4. The topic is ledger. We all discussed about what is the procedure for opening ledger, then what is the utilities of ledger, then what is the meaning of ledger, what is the format of specific format of ledger. Okay, so and also I solved the problem. Okay, already I solved the problem, problem number 1. Okay, now going to solve the problem number 2. Okay, so on the problem number 2, sum number, page number 100, sum number 2. Okay, sum number 2. Sum number 2. Okay, so what is the transaction of this problem? Give journal entries. Okay, got it? Give journal entries and for the following transaction and post them into ledger. Okay, give journal entries for the following transaction, post them into ledger. First you have to open the journal entry, then you have to post the ledger. Okay, so March 1, 2015. Okay, the first transaction, goods sold on Somu, goods sold to Somu on credit. Goods sold to Somu on credit. Okay, the first, what is the date? May 2015, May 1. May 1. Goods sold to Ramu. To Ramu on credit. On credit. Rupees 5,000. Rupees 5,000. Okay, goods sold to Ramu on credit, rupees 5,000. Next one, purchase furniture purchased for cash, rupees 300. Next, last in 15, interest received. Interest received, rupees 1,800. Okay, step 1. Step 1. Goods sold to Ramu on credit. That is a credit transaction. So Ramu is the receiver. Receive your goods. Okay, goods goes out. Ramu is the receiver. Okay, Ramu is a personal account. So he is the receiver. And sold means sales. So the sales account is comes under, that is related to your real. Okay, so goods goes out. Goods goes out. Okay, so the first transaction, date particulars, date particulars, it is L of debit, rupees credit. Okay, so the first, okay, so goods sold to Ramu on credit. Goods sold to Ramu on credit, rupees 5,000. Okay, so Ramu is the receiver where goods goes out. Ramu is a personal account and goods goes out. Okay, real. Okay, goods in real. So the first 2000, the May 1, 2015. Ramu, this is a credit transaction, that's why you mentioned Ram to sales account. So purchase account always comes under debit side, sales account always comes under credit side. Okay, so sales account. Okay, what is the amount? 5,000. What is the amount? 5,000. Okay, goods sold to Ramu on credit. Goods sold to Ramu on credit. Okay, so the first transaction, goods sold to Ramu on credit. Okay, next one, second transaction, furniture purchase for cash. This is a cash transaction. Cash was goes out, furniture was comes in. Furniture was the real account and also cash was real account. So cash was goes out. Okay. So May 7, furniture account debtor to cash account. Furniture. So furniture was comes in, cash was goes out. Furniture was comes in, cash was goes out. Okay. So amount is 300. Amount is 300. Okay, amount is 300. Okay. So furniture purchased for cash. Furniture purchased for cash. Last ending, May 15. Interest received. Interest cash ulla varudhu. So cash was comes in. What is the purpose? Interest received. Interest is one of the nominal account. Credit all incomes and gains. Okay. So cash was comes in real account. So cash account debtor to cash account debtor to what is interest received. Interest received account. Okay, 1,800. Okay. Interest received. Okay, so the third entry. Now I am going to open ledger. Okay, the first transaction Ramu account order sales, because of Ramu is a receiver, goods was goes out. Okay, the credit transaction. The second one cash transaction, furniture purchase for cash. Okay, purchase the furniture account to cash account. Third one interest received. Interest received rupees 1,800. Okay, so cash account to interest received. Interest received. Okay, so 1,800. Okay, so this is 3 transaction. Now I am going to open ledger. I am going to open ledger. Particulars. Amount, date, particulars, JF, amount. Credit, debit. Okay, so on the first transaction, Ramu account. Okay, for the first transaction, May 1, 2015, Ramu account debtor to sales account. Okay, Ramu account debtor to sales account. So Ramu account is comes under debit side. So sales account also comes under in debit side. Credit, that is a ledger. Okay, so to sales May 1 2015 May sales account. Okay, how much? 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Okay, puriyudha? So Ramu account on the debit side varudhu, so sales account also debit side. Sales account debit side. Okay, so here, so there is no balance, no amount. Okay, so here May 31st by balance, because Ram is one of the debtor. He is debtor. He is debtor. He is debtor because of sold goods to Mr. Somo. In case purchase goods from Somo means that is Somo is a creditor in purchase transaction, credit purchase. Here sales, there is a sold, that is a sales, one of the sales account. Here Ram is called as debtor. Ram is called as debtor. Okay, balance, that is carried down. That is carried down. Okay, carried on. Now, next, okay, next I post, that is a balancing amount, that is 5,000. That is 5,000. Here also 5,000. Okay, so here May, June, July. June 1 2015 to balance brought down, the amount is 5,000. Amount is 5,000. Okay, that is the first Homo account. Okay, next going to open sales account. Going to open sales account. Okay, sales account. Okay. Okay, here sales account in first to May 1 transaction, sales account is comes in a credit side, so Ramu account also comes under credit side. Okay, so by Ramu account, because credit side means by, debit side means to. Okay, so this is the transaction. It's a transaction. Ramu is the 5,000. 5,000. Okay, here there is no balance. Okay, so May 1 here, May 1, May 31st to balance. Okay, to balance, that is to balance, that is carry down, 5,000. Okay, so now the balancing all the amount 5,000, here also 5,000. Okay, so the from here to there, that is called as June 1 to balance, because of sales is one of the, is called as, okay, no, June here only, because of in trial balance sales account comes in the credit side. Okay, so June 31st, here only the balance carried on. So by balance brought down, the amount is 5,000. Amount is 5,000. Okay, this is the opening balance. Okay, so the ledger, the first May 1 transaction over. Now we're going to start the next May 7 transaction. Okay, May 7 transaction. Furniture account. Next one, May 7 furniture. So furniture account, what is it now? Furniture was purchase for cash. So furniture was comes in, cash was goes up. Okay, so furniture account comes under debit side in journal entry. So cash also comes in debit side in ledger. So this is a transaction May 7 to balance cash. Okay, to cash account. So amount is 300. Here there is no balance. So May 31st by balance carried on 300. Okay, so 300. So I'm going to balancing amount. Here also 300. புரியுதா? இங்க பாருங்க, நான் டெபிட் சைடு போட்டதுனால இந்த கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட் டெபிட் சைடு போறேன். இதே கிரெடிட் சைடுனா கிரெடிட் சைடு. தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஓகே, ஸோ amount is over. Then now going to here. So June 1 to balance brought down 300. Okay, so furniture account is over. Now cash account. Here cash is having two sides, two accounts, two transaction. Okay, so the first one, cash account. Furniture account, cash first goes out. The cash account comes under debit side in this ledger. Debit side in the journal. So furniture account also comes under debit side. Furniture, okay, credit side. So cash account எங்க வருது? Credit side வருது. So furniture account credit side தான். So அதான் ledger உடைய concept. Okay, so 300. Okay, so here and one more transaction, cash account to interest received. So cash account comes under debit side. So interest received also comes under debit side. To date May 15. Here May 7. Interest received. Okay, so 1,800. Okay, so that is a transaction over. Next What is the balance amount? Here 1800, here 300. So 1500 is the balance amount. Okay, 1500 balance amount. So May 31 by, so balance amount is, you have to mention the term, accounting term by balance carried on 1500. Here the amount is 1800. Here 1800. Okay, so transfer, that is a June 1 to balance brought down. The amount is 1500. So this is the answer. 1500 is the answer. So 1500 answer. Okay. The next one, the last interest received. So the interest received. So the last transaction, interest received. Okay. Interest received. Okay, interest received account. Okay, so the last entry, interest received. So in the cash account, interest received. So by cash account, the amount is 1500, 1800. Okay, so here there is no balance, that is 1800, that is called as to balance carried on June, that is a May 31st. Here also May 15. Okay, here that is now balancing amount, that is called as 1800. Here also 1800. Okay, here to June 1 to balance brought down, amount is 1800. Okay, so this is the last one. Okay, so sum is over. Okay, so I am open the 4 or 5 ledgers account. So when you are opening ledger, the particular transaction Ramu, for example, Ramu is comes under debit side, means in ledger the corresponding transaction amount comes under debit side. This is the rules of ledger. Okay, I hope you are able to understand about this sum number 2. Thank you for listening to my video. Thank you so much.